Gill's respiration. So the Gill's respiration, the process of respiration takes place or occurs in the larva of amphibia, nothing but tadpole larva. This type of respiration occurs in tadpole larva. So why? Because these larvas are not developing of any particular organ. Why? Because it is a microscopic in nature. First one, it is a microscopic in nature, microscopic and very small in size. It is not development of the, not gradual development of the any respiratory organs, not gradual development of respiratory organ, but that amphibian larva, fish larva, both are similar, look like similar. We cannot able to what is the identification of which is the amphibian larva, which is fish larva. So the amphibian larva carries ancestral characteristic features of the fishes. Nothing but it is carries forefather genetical characters. So their respiration through the gills, it is carries ancestral characters from fishes, like fishes. So respiration through the gills. So this is the respiration in tadpole larva. Now discussing about second one is skin respiration or cutaneous respiration. Cutaneous respiration. So what is the cutaneous respiration? Cutaneous, nothing but skin. Skin respiration is called as a cutaneous respiration. When the organism is there in aquatic in condition, so the body will become complete in moisture in nature. So the organisms are there in aquatic condition. This type of respiration is occurs. The organism is during in a water in condition. Organism is there in water in condition. Clear? So the body will complete, the body is completely covered with water, nothing but the body completely moisture in nature. The body is completely moisture in nature. The body is completely moisture in nature. So how they are respire through the skin? Means the skin is very hard, rigid in nature. Very, very important. The skin is very hard and rigid in nature. The characters of the skin. And after we are discussing respiration. The characters of the skin of amphibia. The amphibian skin is a very rigid and hard surface, or very hard and rigid. So the below of the skin containing more number of the vascularized blood vessels are there. Nothing but it is containing more or rich amount of the blood vessels are there. So the skin is very rigid, but it is permeable for the exchanging of the gases. The three characters are there. What are the first one is the amphibian skin is very hard, very hard. The characters of the skin very hard in nature, rigid in condition, hard nothing but rigid in nature, it is permeable for the exchanging of the gases and containing the below of the skin containing more rich amount of the blood capillaries. Below of the skin, what are they? Rich amount of the blood capillaries. Rich amount of the blood capillaries are present. The third one is the skin is permeable for transporting of the gases. Skin is permeable. Skin is not transparent, but is permeable. Skin is permeable for exchanging of the gases. Note on these 3 points. Exchanging of gases. So this is the characters of the skin. Next one, the mechanism of respiration. Next one is the mechanism of respiration. So the cutaneous respiration occurs in the water region. So there is a through the skin, so that is called skin respiration. The skin containing three characters. What are they? It is very rigid and hard in nature. It is the below of the skin containing a rich amount of the blood capillaries are there. The skin is permeable for the exchanging of the gases. The three characters are very important for the amphibia for during exchanging of the gases. Second one is mechanism of respiration. Yes, the amphibia is there in an aquatic in condition. So the body is completely overlapping, or the body is complete in wet in what is that? Moisture in condition. So the below of the skin, nothing but the skin is very rigid and containing more number of the bulges and more number of the depressions are there. Like this. This is the amphibian skin. So the surface of the amphibian, the body surface of the skin containing more number of the bulge, nothing but arising one of the bulges and more number of the depressions. Bulges like this is known as bulges, like this. Bulges and depressions. The bulges and depressions are there. So the bulges and depression, in between of the bulges and depression, so some amount of the depression region, the water will become hold. The depression region, the water will become hold. So the below of the skin, the rich amount of the blood capillaries are there. Below of the skin containing more amount of the blood capillaries are there. It is one of the specialized characteristic features of the amphibia. More number of the blood capillaries are there. So these blood capillaries, what is the important? These are exchanging of the gases. So the water, they are containing more amount of the oxygen in dissolved state. The water containing more number of the oxygen like dissolved, like H2O. Water is nothing but chemical formula is H2O. The water containing more amount of the oxygen in dissolved state. Are you clear? Yes. More number of the oxygen there in dissolved state. Dissolved state. So the organisms wants to be exchanging of the gases. So the high pressure was creates on organism's body. Where is there? This want to be exchanging of the gases. The high pressure was creates on vascular region. Nothing but the blood capillaries region. High pressure was created. High pressure was created. When this high pressure was created, so the water is there is a low pressure. The organisms are body producing high pressure. What I'm saying, the organisms are want to be respired. So there is a very less oxygen level in the organism's body. It is want to be respired. So the blood flowing as very huge blood flows into the surface of the skin. So the blood flow is very huge in the surface of the skin. The pressure was created. The surface of the skin, high pressure was created. The water region, there is a low pressure. So what is that? The water dissolved status oxygen will become detached with oxygen water molecules and directly dissolved into the bloodstream. What is the process will be occur? The high pressure was created on the blood capillaries region. The nature of the gases from the low partial pressure to high partial pressure. Sorry. So what is the nature of the gases from the high partial pressure to low partial pressure? So the complete water region have a high partial pressure. The organism's body containing very low partial pressure. So what is the nature? High to low. So there is a aquatic region containing huge amount of the dissolved oxygen. There is a high partial pressure. The organism's body containing very low amount of the oxygen. So these have a low partial pressure. So the nature of the gas is from the high to low. So there is a high pressure was there in the water region. Low pressure was there in the body of the organism. So the dissolved oxygen was directly dissolved from water to organism's body through the blood capillaries. So that kind of mechanism is called as a cutaneous respiration. The nature of the gas is from the high partial pressure to high partial pressure in water region, low partial pressure is there in the amphibian region. So the water containing huge amount of the dissolved oxygen is there. So the dissolved oxygen directly enters into the amphibian's body through the permeable skin. So when it is enters into the organism's body, the below of the skin containing huge amount of the blood capillaries. The blood capillaries are holding of the oxygen and transporting into various parts of the body. Are you clear? What I am saying, only one logic is there. The organism's body containing very low pressure compare with water pressure, compare with environmental pressure. So environment containing huge amount of the pressure, organisms have very less pressure. So what is the nature? High to low pressure. What is the mechanism of, what is the nature of the gases? High partial pressure to low partial pressure. So the high partial pressure was creates on water region, low partial pressure was there in the organism's body. So the gases comes from the high partial pressure to enters into the organism's body through the skin. So the skin is permeable for the exchanging of the gases. When it is exchanging of the gases through the skin, the below of the skin containing more number of the blood capillaries. So the blood capillaries are holding of the oxygen and transporting into various parts of the body through the blood. Through the blood. So this is known as a cutaneous respiration.